already in the city of Orange, fixing this commercial refrigerator, and the brand is Quintera. It was a long drive, 3 hours practically when it was supposed to be two. So we got an extra from all that accumulation of traffic. Now, some of these units, uh, this area here is just kind of like even, and it doesn't have a drop for the water to actually go right onto the drain there. And you got some water dropping from that direction. You could see water dripping from there. So all that causes icing up everywhere. So we're gonna try to see the bad design on this thing and try to improve it.